The Philips 24-inch monitor delivers clear visuals, smooth performance, and vibrant colors for work and entertainment. Its sleek design and eye care features ensure a comfortable viewing experience every day.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Philips 24-inch monitor, power cable, HDMI cable, TV stand and TV base,
And user manual.
How to use. To set up the Philips 24-inch monitor, place it face down and attach the base and stand until it clicks securely. Connect the power cable and HDMI cable from the monitor to your computer. Turn on the system to activate the display automatically. Use the power button to turn off and press the OK button for 10 seconds to lock or unlock the controls.
Smart features?
Delivers sharp, clear, and detailed visuals for an enhanced viewing experience, ideal for movies, work, and everyday use with vibrant picture quality. Delivers consistent colors and clear image quality even when viewed from different angles, ideal for sharing the screen or viewing comfortably from any position without color distortion. Reduces screen flickering to provide a smoother and more stable viewing experience. Helps reduce eye strain during long hours of use, making it more comfortable for work or entertainment. Reduces harmful blue light emission to protect your eyes during extended screen time. Helps improve viewing comfort, especially during late-night work or long usage sessions. Provides a simple and high-speed connection to laptops, PCs, and other devices. Ensures stable audio and video transmission for a smooth plug-and-play experience.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Philips 24-inch monitor from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Philips 24-inch monitor. See you at the next one.